Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video. Like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open a Pixel Lab, select a shape, duplicate the shape, change the color of shape, select the erase color to back color green, adjust the shape. Then select the text edit, select a shape, select the emoji, adjust the shape, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.